just tap it. Tinama mo ba yung buttons?
Yeah.
So, we have a surprise for baby.
Aww. Wow.
Oh my God! Baby! So we're on our way to Quest Hotel in Clark. First time ko mag-vlog ng staycation, and of course, so first time it's with family. Ito si Tala. Tulog siya. Ngayon ko lang nalaman to that they have an exclusive lounge dito sa 6th or 7th floor. Yun. We're going to show you more of the Q Lounge later. And dito na rin kami magbe-breakfast tomorrow. Yan. Let's go na and check our room. Surprise for baby.
Aww. Wow.
Oh my God. Baby. You have a bear and oh my God. That's very good dog here. Sayang hindi pa siya ay, kamukha nung kao niya sa bahay.
Oo.
Oh my God, sa bahay.
Si Kao yan eh. Si Kao. Sinusundan ka ni Kao.
Pinag-isipan namin yung pangalan, di ba? Kao.
As our gift, you have Abe, our signature Quest bears.
Kamukha nung kay Zion. Alam ko, di ba?
Naka-ano siya.
Talaga.
Pero yung sa'yo, limited edition. Ano siya?
Chinese.
Chinese New Year edition siya. And then you have,
Happy ka, baby.
you have signature desserts from our executive chef.
Lahat ng babies, nilalagyan ng ganito.
Yun yung plan namin. Every time we have
So
a
that's really
family
going the
over.
extra mile.
Yeah.
Ang galing.
Actually, go ahead. Ay, nagiging siya.
Nagsasalita siya. Ano na, nag-vlog ito
Oo
siya.
nga. Welcome to Quest.
Hi, channel.
Oh, nakikipag-usap siya sa'yo.
Oo nga.
Sino kaya to, sabi niya? She's so nice, I like her.
Nagsasmile siya sa tingin.
Ang ganda ng anak ninyo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're the cutest baby. Can we get you as a model? We need a model.
Kasi hindi ko siya marunong mag-sit mag-isa niya.
Pag marunong siya mag-sit, alam mo kasi nasusundan mo.
Tinitingnan ka niya, oh.
Yes, you're welcome here, future model of Quest.
Gusto niya yung sinasabi mo.
So, I'll leave you guys to it. Makapag-relax kayo. Sir, nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, now it's time for the room tour. Nakita niyo naman yung reaction ko kanina. So, sobrang saya ko na mayroong play area for Tala. Ito si Tala, nagbibigay lang habang nag-room tour. So, we have 2 beds. Ayan. And then we have a free there. Ayun. Tapos, we have welcome desserts. Ito. Welcome desserts. These are French desserts kasi from France yung chef nila. Tikman natin. This is so good. Dessert. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. And it's perfect kasi may ubo ako. Bawal akong God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Macarons! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! And it's so very social. Sa Quest Hotel, guys, every room, meron silang glass pitcher. Tapos sa every floor, meron silang water dispenser. Kasi nilalasan nila yung plastic bottle waste nila. So yan, kudos kay Quest. Actually, dapat sweet yung ibibigay nila sa amin. Kaso, napunta yun sa mga ikakasal na hindi naman sila Taal victims, pero supposedly sa Tagaytay sila ikakasal. So, okay na na-bump off kami sa deluxe room lang. So, it's fine kasi sobrang happy pa rin naman namin dahil ang ganda ng view plus ang ganda ng play area. So, ayun, we're on our way to Mequeni Live for our dinner. Tonight's dinner is quite special kasi isi-serve nila yung Chinese New Year buffet. So, andito kami. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan si Tala, baby. Gising na. Hello, bebe. Ay. Nagagalit na siya. Baka gutom na. So, yan. Also, we're gonna show you a glimpse of the foam party. Yan. Sa pool area. Mequeni Live. Ayan, to have our Chinese New Year buffet dinner. But first, dessert. Ayan, I'm so happy kasi ito guys, ayan. They offer legit gelato. Not ice cream, but gelato. And there's so many different yummy flavors. In this section naman, they have our chocolates. So, award-winning chocolates to from Davao. Ayan. This is globally known. Ayan, si Auro. Mga anak, we're here in our kitchen. Anong gusto mong ulam? Calderetang duck. And pork stew. Beef with bitter gourd. Kanin ka sa mo, bebe. Ano? Pescatarian ka? Good morning! Ayan. It's 7:30. Medyo na-late kami ng gising. I think sleepy pa siya. Bebe ko. So, I'm finally here at the Key Lounge to have breakfast. Tip ko sa inyo is do not wear shorts. Kasi pinabalik nila ako sa room ko because I was wearing shorts kanina and the hotel slippers. It's bawal here. So, yun. We have the option to have breakfast sa baba, sa Mequeni, and here sa Q Lounge. But we'd like to try it here sa Q Lounge. It's actually exclusive to the ones booked sa club floor. which is the 6th floor, and also to the ones booked sa executive villas nila. So yan, it's our first time here. I've been here before, back when it was still Rodicios. I really love the view, and it's good to finally have breakfast here. So yeah, check it out. Kasay na po si Bebe. Nakikita mo lahat ng natatanong mo na yan, Bebe? Sa daddy mo yan. Kay daddy yan. Oo. Papamana yan sa'yo ni daddy. Check out, and we're quite excited to go home para makapag-rest na si Tala. All in all, we enjoyed our staycation, although we realized that it's really hard traveling with a 4-month-old kasi ang dami namin dala na love stroller, bottle sterilizer, panglinis ng bote,
buong bahay, dadalhin.
halos buong bahay, yes. Dami naming dala. So, but we're so happy and thankful sa staff dun nga sa sinet up nila na play area for Tala and the teddy bear and yung mga sweets, welcome desserts, welcome drinks, and we enjoyed Q Lounge. We hope you enjoyed then this vlog. Till our next staycation. Bye!